at Nestle Purina, we were in the middle of putting together a design strategy, and part of the design strategy is to build an awareness around what design thinking is and how we use it. So the paradigm we're trying to change is it's less about designers in a room doing design work and more about design thinking and being employed on a broader scale throughout the company and all the different business functions.
Hi, my name is Hugh Music. I'm the Associate Dean and Director of Executive Education at the Illinois Institute of Technology's Institute of Design. We are here for a 4-day workshop for people from Nestle Purina. Our school has been dedicated to creating methods that designers can practice that help people not only make informed products and services and experiences, but really do the front-end thinking to help companies figure out what to do next. One of the things that we heard was that Nestle Purina is very good at renovation, and what you're hoping to do is get much better at innovation.
You have new thinking, and you're putting it in an old format.
We started yesterday going off and understanding what do people want. That's the key.
We're right at the tipping point of aligning on what we think it is and what we want to do. I think that's going to be really powerful.
There are methodological approaches that will take something that feels very amorphous and let you go from a place of unknown to known.
What I'd like to talk to you today is about a key element in doing user research, and that is getting a real sense of empathy with their situation.
It has been a great week. I think the process in and of itself kind of builds a team, builds camaraderie. You've got folks from multiple groups at Purina all working together, and it's hard not to get excited about it.
In a short amount of time, we were able to come up with a lot more relevant and interesting ideas than maybe we have in the past.
This has been a good experience, kind of taking me out of my comfort zone several times and really giving me a different perspective on the innovation thinking and innovation process.
I think that's one thing that this week has really taught us, that, get out, be inspired by other things, and get our hands dirty a little bit.
Design is giving people unexpected experiences that enhance their lives.
Design is beautiful. You can't always explain it. You know good design when you see it.